Hi, this is Chris at needlepointers.com. Today I'd like to share with you some towels that I made recently. These are birdhouse towels and they shine because there's Mylar underneath this stitching in the towel, and the stitching is kind of open. It's not very as dense as normal machine embroidery stitches are. So it allows the Mylar to shine through the towel and create the sparkly effect that you see. The sparkly effect probably doesn't show up quite as well on the video as it does in person, but it's very nice and it makes the towels look pretty unique because of the sparkliness. I found these birdhouse patterns at a quilt show, and they were being sold by a vendor named Charming Station Embroidery. And they have like tons of different patterns using this Mylar. That seems to be their thing. They create patterns that can be used with the Mylar. So this is the birdhouses, and you can see this pack comes with a CD, and it has all these different designs for birdhouses on it, and it has all the different types of files that you would need, and the 12 designs come in 4x4 and 5x5, 5x7 sizes. I also purchased, but I haven't made yet, these cute little Mylar foxes. I just thought they were so cute. And another really cute one are these Mylar Christmas reindeer. So I think they had hundreds of different patterns that you could purchase, and I will include a link to their website where you can purchase patterns like these in the iCard or in the link in the description. Click the link to our website, and then on the page for this project there will be links to Charming Station, so you can find where to purchase these great patterns. The other thing they do sell is this one. These I bought from somewhere else, but they also sell the Mylar that you can use to put underneath the pattern. And there are instructions included with the pattern that show you or tell you how to do these Mylar birdhouses or any of the other ones. So this is the Mylar, and it's pretty thin. This is a lot of sheets. But here's one sheet of the Mylar, and you can see how it's kind of opalescent, and that's what and it's shiny. That's what makes it do the shine. So now for these towels, though, you can see that my towels themselves have a pattern on them, and these patterns will actually show through the Mylar and the stitching if you don't put something down in between. And so what I did was I tried a few different techniques. So in one of them I put pieces of cotton underneath and tacked it down with the stitch, with the first stitch that goes around the whole thing. Then I trimmed it close, and I think this might be the one that I did that with, because I can see these little frays edges. So that didn't work as well as I wanted, because I have this frayed edge that's sticking out, and it's really hard with the cotton to get it to not do that with this pattern. So for this one I used some interfacing underneath instead, and then I cut close. And most of the way around I was able to cut really close and get it so that you can't see it, but there are some spots where I didn't cut it quite close enough. So I think it would take a little bit of practice for me to be able to, get it cut really close. But when you're looking at this towel from a little bit of a distance, you can't even tell that it's there. So those are some options. They do describe those options in the instructions, because stuff will show through when you're doing this, your background fabrics. so you want to make sure that you block it with something. So I hope you enjoyed learning about these Mylar Birdhouse patterns that I found, and maybe buy them and try them for yourself. This is a fun project to make, and you can put these Mylar birdhouses on anything. They can be sewn into quilt squares, or and incorporating your quilt. It could be like they have a sample here on picture, and it's incorporated into a quilt. You could put them into a table runner and make a really cute table runner. And I did make these a while back and tried washing one and drying it, and the Mylar seems to hold up through some washings, so I think these would make great gifts for the holidays or for a hostess gift or anything like that. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Also, pin our projects on Pinterest so that you can save them for later and have a good reference to projects that you would like to make of ours. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of other machine embroidery projects and tutorials.